Okay, we're here with the Instant Pot again, and we're going to try a new recipe, taco pasta. I found it on Pinterest. I'll go ahead and put the link to the recipe down in the comments page. Hopefully this is going to turn out. The Instant Pot, I've already turned it to saute and hit the adjust button so that we have it at the hottest level we can get, so that we can saute the burger. I've got a pound of hamburger in there sauteing. That's what makes it nice with the Instant Pot. You don't have to get a separate pan out and brown your burger. You can do it in the Instant Pot before you turn it into a pressure cooker. So that makes it nice. So you know the recipe calls for a pound of hamburger, 2 cups of beef broth, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, 8 ounces of medium shells for the pasta, an ounce of taco seasoning, 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese, and then any kind of toppings that you would normally like on your tacos. So I have an avocado and sour cream for us to put on top of ours. But right now, like I say, the first thing is browning the hamburger. I don't know about the grease. It didn't say anything about draining the grease, so I guess we'll leave it in there. I mean, it's not a lot. I did use extra lean hamburger, so there's not as much grease. I hope this works out. It's scary trying a new recipe. You don't know if you're going to end up having dinner or if you're going to have to call out for pizza. Okay, it's almost browned and it's going to go into the pressure cooker, so that's going to finish it up. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next step, which is stir in a packet of taco seasoning. I'm going to move the saute down to medium. Okay. Stir in the tomato sauce. This is an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. And I need 2 cups of beef broth. Which was we're a little short. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Okay, that makes 2 cups. So we're supposed to stir that around. And we added 8 ounces of medium shells, which, there's my medium shells. So this is a 16-ounce box, but I used half of it before, so we just need this half box. So we're supposed to stir this in. Okay, we're going to turn it off of, let's see, we're going to turn off saute. Going to get our lid here, and I have my sealing ring in. Very important, do not forget the sealing ring. And we are going to hit manual, and we are doing this for 5 minutes. Here, 2, 3. Okay, we have the vent on seal. Have it on 5 minutes. It's beeping just to get ready to start. Okay, we'll let it build up to pressure, and I will, when it's done here in 5 minutes, I will come back for you.